guys, it's me again. So it's so dark, it's not going to be dark the whole time. But anyway, today I'm going to be doing LPS airplane crash, and sorry for the noise in the background, it's raining. So yeah, I was going to do this outside, but since it's raining like really heavily, I'm not going to be able to do it outside. And it's not going to be this dark the whole time. I might not get to talk to you guys after the video today because I might have to rush through it. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoy. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment, and I hope you like this video. Oh my gosh, I'm so scared to go on an airplane. Hi there, welcome to Pet Paws Airline, and what plane are you going on today? 177? Alright. You've already paid out online? Yes, I have. Mr. Becca Rabbit is your name? Yep. Okay, here is your ticket. And just go take a seat over the seats. Oh, thank you. Oh, and someone should be here to collect your luggage soon. Okay, thank you. Next. Come with us. Hi, we're here for the airplane. You guys haven't booked online, have you? Nope. So, my name is Trisha. My name's Lily. And my name's Sarah. Okay. So, let's do tickets. And that will be, let me just count it up. Okay, that'll be $250. There you go. Thank you. Please enjoy. Come on, girls. Let's go take a seat. Come on. Yay, I'm so excited. Okay, just calm down. It's gonna be fine. One ticket for 177. Yep. You don't need to say airplane. We know this whole line's 177. I really don't like airplanes. It's fine. This airline's only had 23 crashes this month. Wait, what? You weren't supposed to say that. Oh, what did you say? She said we've had 23 crashes this month. So what? Most of them in death? Most of them, but who cares? You've ordered online? Yes. Aha, Miss Sarah. Here is your ticket. Thank you, I guess. I really don't want to be going. Next. Hi, my name is Fred, and I am going on 177. Your voice is annoying. Hey, don't tease me. That's just the way I was born. Bye. Ow. Next. Oh, finally. Oh, you forgot your ticket. 177. What was your name again? Angel? Oh, yes. Here you go. Thank you. Enjoy your flight. Thank you. Next. Okay, family. How many of those you? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There you go. Thank you. Come on, guys. Next, please. What plane? 177. Oh, sorry, there's no seats left. For you? I didn't want to go on it anyway. Just saying, we've had 23 crashes this month, so I wouldn't want to go on it anyway. Yeah, bye. Okay. Okay, I've got my ticket in my bag. Now I'm just going to go and sit down over the seats. Okay, I'm going to get onto this one. I hope I don't lose my ticket. Okay, this seat's comfy. If only it'd stay like this. I really don't want to go on the plane. Don't worry about it. It's gonna be fine. I really hope I don't sit next to you. Oh, don't worry about it. It's gonna be fine. And like, if you die, you die. Like, who cares? Can you just shut up? I don't like your voice. Oh my gosh, I'm just gonna keep blabbering out now. Shut up! Oh, You're not nice. Haha. Hi people, I'm here to collect the luggage for the plane. Oh, here's my bag. Thank you. You, just take it. Thank you. And you. Thank you. And you. We've already put our luggage in. Okay. Let's go. Bit later. Okay, everybody boarding plane 177. Please make your way out. I repeat, please make your way out. Oh no. Hi there, I'm gonna take you guys out to your plane. Please follow me this way. Oh, make sure you open your ticket, otherwise you won't be able to get onto the plane. Of course, the ticket. Ticket. Okay, these are our captains. Hi. Okay, if you're entering the plane or Super X, please come forward. There's my ticket. Thank you. You may enter. Oh wait, before you enter, just when you enter, just sit at the front of the plane, and we'll show you where you're sitting. Okay, thank you. Next, please. There's my ticket. Thank you. Next, please. Wait, where's my ticket? Oh no, I must have left it in the machine. I don't think you can go on without a ticket. Oh, it's fine. I saw her. She paid for it. Oh, okay. Just go on. Thank you. Next. Oh wait, my ticket. Oh, I really don't want to go on this. Sorry, I need to find my ticket. There. It's fine. You'll be safe. I hope so. After everybody's on the plane. Here you go. Here's my ticket. Thank you. Thank you. I'm gonna go on again. Ugh, stupid ramp. Okay, everybody. We're coming in to tell you where your seats are. Okay, and second last, Miss Sarah, you're at the very back. And you? Yes, where am I going? In front of the dash hand. How, little doggy, remember me? Ugh, gross. Ha. And your captain will be in here soon. Oh, sorry. Okay, everybody, we're about to take off, and I hope you all say goodbye to your family because we might crash. Oh no. Alright, and here we go! Okay, we're taking off. Whee! We're going over the land. Okay, guys, you've all had food. Now you guys can go to sleep. I guess I'm just gonna have to go to sleep the next morning. Get up, people. Okay, get up. We still got 15 hours left. Oh, don't worry about it. You guys still planning on something you won't even want to live. Maybe I should just look out the window. Okay, looking at the window does not help. Whoop. What's that sound? We're coming into a very severe storm. It's going to have tornadoes, cyclones, storm, and oh my gosh, we're going to crash. No, I don't want to crash. Whoop. Ah, we're going to crash. No. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I think it's going to play crash. A bit later. Oh, my head hurts. What happened? I think we had an accident. Is anyone else alive? Hello? Wait, I think I can hear crying. Hello? Hello? My mom. I can't find her. It's fine. I think we had a car accident and everybody's dead. Is it your sister? She's not breathing. Everybody else died except for these two. Come on, I'll adopt you. Okay. The ends. Hi guys, hope you like this video. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Okay, so bye. Bye. Hope you like this video.